Let's say that I wanted to identify who the most actively tweeting doctors were at the recent ESC Congress. We can do that. I've set up my date range here to reflect those days when the conference took place. I've loaded in the ESC Congress hashtag, and now I'm going to choose an influencer report. And I'm going to use the metric of tweets because I want to see who was tweeting most often. But specifically, I want to look at doctors. So I'll add a filter for healthcare stakeholders and select only doctors. This limit is a variable that I can set. I can make it 10, 100, 1,000, whatever I'd like. I'm going to leave it at 100 just to find the 100 most actively tweeting doctors. And here they are. But perhaps I'm not just interested in doctors. Perhaps I'm more specifically interested in cardiologists, like this gentleman right here. I can create a custom label for cardiologist simply by clicking on the doctor category and entering cardiologist. And just like that, I've created this new category in the system. But if I wanted to get more aggressive about this and identify many cardiologists, I can come back to my menu, add a second filter, this time the bio description, which is the Twitter bio. And I only want to look at those doctors whose Twitter bio identifies them as a cardiologist. I could put a comma-separated list of all sorts of terms in here to make sure that I captured them all, but I'll keep it simple. And now to highlight this, you can see everybody on the list identifies themselves as being a cardiologist in their Twitter bio. Now, if I came to the very bottom of this list, and we did find 100, which means there's even more, I can choose to enable mass categorization. And I could one at a time check these off after vetting them, or I could simply say select all, and then categorize all checked users as, and there's the new cardiologist category we created. Save. And now I've identified 100 cardiologists in our system. What that enables me to do is to virtually run any of these reports or any dashboard pre-filtered to just look at the activity of that group of cardiologists that I just identified. And I can actually build that list into the thousands. Custom categories. Easy to do and very powerful.